In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a project in Hubstaff. Archiving projects can be a very useful way to keep your workspace decluttered and organized, especially as your team grows and your list of projects expands. By archiving those projects that are no longer active, you ensure that your dashboard remains clean and easy to navigate, allowing you to focus more clearly on your current objectives. So, let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll ensure that by the end of this video, you'll have all the know-how needed to get your projects archived seamlessly. First, let's begin at the Hubstaff dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find a section called Project Management. This is where you need to click. Think of this as your command center for all things project-related within Hubstaff. Clicking here will open up a variety of options, giving you control over the projects associated with your team or organization. Now that we're in the project management area, we need to navigate to the specific project you wish to archive. Locate the Actions button. It's a crucial tool that opens up a world of possibilities for managing your projects. By clicking on Actions, you're signaling that you want to perform a task or make a change regarding a project. This button brings up a menu with different choices. Among these, you'll find the option we're looking for. The final step is to click on Archive Project. This is the option that will allow you to move a project from your active list to an archive state. When a project is archived, it's not deleted, it's simply moved to a different section. This means that you can retrieve it in the future if needed. Archiving is especially helpful if you plan to reference this project later, or if you want to preserve its data and history for record-keeping purposes. By following these simple steps, your project will now be safely archived. It's important to know that archiving a project won't remove any of its data or the work associated with it. It just shifts it out of your immediate view. Whenever you need to access an archived project, you can easily do so by changing your filtering options to display archived projects in your project management area. And that's it, you're all set. Archiving projects is an efficient way to keep your Hubstaff environment free of clutter and let you focus on what truly matters at present. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Feel free to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tips and guides. Until next time, happy organizing in Hubstaff.